Welcome to 5-Minute Math. In the video titled Factoring, we talked about the benefit of dividing by a small number. If we can divide by 2, then the upper half of the numbers are eliminated. If we can divide by 3, then the upper 2/3 are eliminated. Let me show you. So we have this factoring example. Here's 1 to 24, and you want to know what are the factors of 24. We determine that 2 and 12, 2 times 12 is 24, then that means that we could eliminate all the numbers above. And the same thing if we have, let's say, divided by 3. In this case, we know that 3 times 8 is 24. In this case, all the numbers above 8 will be eliminated. And for this reason, it's important, helpful, to be able to see if a number is divisible by a small number. So here we have some shortcuts to determine if a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, and 5, to easily see that. So the easiest of all is 2. If the number is even, that it's divisible by 2. Half the numbers are even. So any number as big as it is, if it ends with an even number, it's divisible by 2. And let's see, we have 3. If the sum of its digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. So if let's say take the number 42, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so 42 is divisible by 3. Take the number 45, 4 plus 5 equals 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so 45 is divisible by 3. Take the number 96, 9 plus 6 equals 15, and 1 plus 5 equals 6. And 6 is divisible by 3, so 96 is divisible by 3. It's not a hard thing to do. You just have to add the digits and see if it's divisible by 3. 4. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. As a note, since 100 is divisible by 4, then after 100 it just repeats, because after 100 it was 104, 108. So we only care about the last 2 digits. So the number 46,514 is not divisible by 4 because 14 is not divisible by 4. 312,644 is divisible by 4 because 44 is divisible by 4. And 104 is divisible by 4 because 4 is divisible by 4. So all we need is the last 2 digits to see if it's divisible by 4, and then it is divisible by 4. And 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. 70 is divisible by 5 because 70 ends in 0. 268,425 is divisible by 5 because it ends in 5. 63 is not divisible by 5 because 63 doesn't end in 0 or 5. So one other thing, a little trick, when you're doing 5s, I find it helpful, is it repeats itself. Look, let's say you have the number 22 plus 5 is 27. So then it's going to be 32 and 37, and 42 and 47. If you have, let's say, 38 is 43, 48, 53. It repeats itself. So I find that to be helpful because it's repeating every 10, it's the same. Thank you for being the best part of 5-Minute Math.